Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. My name is Vinny, you're watching Dirty Offroad. Huge shout out to Derek, Carrie, and Lewis for cleaning up the garage. Looks friggin' great. I do have to organize the tools this week, but it's just nice to have a clean space to get to working. Speaking of working, we're going to install the rear bumper. Full transparency, I was gonna do the steps today, but man, I'm just beat, tired. They work me too hard here. So we're gonna get started on that, and I'm going to get a volunteer. I think Paul's gonna help me. Definitely a two-man job. Cold start on the Ranger Raptor. We actually manufacture a lot of parts for the Ranger Raptor and the Broncos here. Next, we'll do a cold start on the Subaru WRX. You could fit. You could, look how skinny you are, bro. Shout out to Paul. Cold start.
Where's the keys?
Subaru WRX. Jeep, clearly Amanda drove it here, so can't be a cold start, so we're not even gonna bother. I think there's an aftermarket exhaust on it, and if there is, it doesn't sound that good, so we'll probably replace that down the line as well. But let's get started on this rear bumper. Here's what it looks like now. All right, it's a basic, this thing's all plastic bumper. Take a picture for before. Okay. Man, just had a serious bowel movement. You ever have one? You're just sweating. Hey, woo! That was bad. Anyway, moving on. So we start off. There's a panel down here. Down here is two 8mm bolts on both sides. We're gonna pop those off first. Once you take those 8mm screws out, this pops right off. Plastic pieces. Next, you're gonna need a 17mm socket. Take these off right here. Then we're going to pop these off as well. Now this piece pops right out. Move on to the next one. So up there is the wiring harness. We got to pop that wiring harness out and pop those clips out. Show everybody. So to take that out, what you need to do is pull the little rubber or plastic out, and then how'd you pop it apart?
Well, this was already out, which shouldn't have been, but if you push that in, that'll release it.
Oh.
Yeah.
That makes sense. And just like that, the bumper's off. This is a Go Rhino bumper. First thing we're gonna do with the Go Rhino bumper is we're gonna put on the license plate bracket. It's gonna go right here, this bracket. All right, folks. This is what holds the bumper up that we screw the bumper into. These go into the frames. You're gonna use OEM bolts here and here. On this side, there's a bracket you put in, and you're gonna use two 21-inch nuts here and OEM hardware here. Okay, here we go. I think we need to open the door. Yeah, we need to open the door. Okay. Okay, hold on. That's weird. Straight down. Keep recording. Keep recording. Okay, watch your head. I'm gonna pull more. All right, you be careful. All right, here we go, Lee. Oh. Let's see. So I'm going to tell you right now, by far, this was probably the biggest pain in the butt to put in. And next is this bracket right here, which keeps the bumper from folding in if you get hit here. So I'll show you guys on the other side. All right, this piece was a conundrum. We're gonna take this arm. It goes in this hole right here. Hey, Paul, can you come put pressure on my hole here?
Put the pressure on your hole.
Yeah, and hold it steady. So on the other side, there's a hole.
What hole? Oh, this hole.
Yeah, Paul's gonna slide his hand into, get it in the hole.
I got a harness in the way here.
You got a hard ass in the way?
Harness.
Oh, hard ass. Gotcha.
Yeah, I got no room. My hands are too big.
Okay.
Let me.
Hands are too big. What are you getting there, bud? I used a pair of nose pliers to hold it up here so we could screw that on. And then 2 bolts going for there. My boss got it on all by herself. She did such a good job. That's what it looks like. She's doing the hardest part, the license plate. I think it looks really good. It may be a Go Rhino back bumper, but it goes with the front bumper. So I'll post a before picture right here. What do you guys think? Comment below. Forgot my lunch today, so if you're wondering what a very attractive grizzly man like me eats, he does a salad with Chick-fil-A chicken tenders and apple cider vinaigrette because it's low calorie.
They spell Vinny, B-I-T-C-H.
That's not how you spell my name, but anyway, that's what I eat for lunch. Well, I'm just getting home. Got the dogs, cows, piggy, donkey. Been a long day. That bumper was a pain in the ass to put on. So, guess I'm gonna leave you here. I don't think today was a very good video. I'll try next time, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. So say hi. Say hi, Hank. Look at a baby. All right, I'll see you guys later.